As people age, the desire to maintain strength, energy, and vitality becomes a top priority for many. With the natural progression of age often accompanied by declines in metabolic function and physical health, researchers have focused on finding nutrients and compounds that may help alleviate these age-related issues. Among these compounds, nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, has garnered considerable attention for its potential to slow down the aging process and improve overall health. This molecule, related to vitamin B3, plays a crucial role in boosting levels of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+, a vital component in cellular energy production. Given NAD+'s importance in maintaining healthy cells, especially in terms of metabolism and stress response, NMN supplementation has emerged as a promising avenue for combating the signs of aging. Dr. Harshani Nadiashani and her team from Fudan University's State Key Laboratory of Genetic Engineering conducted a thorough review of NMN, evaluating its potential to improve health as we age. Their research has sparked much interest in the compound, especially as it has shown promise in animal trials. The basis of NMN's popularity lies in its role in boosting NAD+ levels, which some scientists believe could support the body's ability to handle stress and improve overall cellular function. These findings have led to a surge of interest in NMN as a potential supplement for aging well. While the bulk of evidence supporting NMN's benefits has come from animal studies, initial results have been encouraging. In particular, studies have suggested that NMN supplementation may have a positive impact on metabolic functions. Early animal studies have demonstrated that NMN can influence the body's metabolic rate, improve energy production, and possibly reduce the risk of metabolic conditions. These findings have sparked hope that NMN could be used as a way to fight common aging issues such as low energy levels, sluggish metabolism, and insulin resistance. For humans, NMN has also shown some encouraging signs. In a small trial involving pre-diabetic individuals, NMN appeared to improve insulin sensitivity, offering hope to those managing blood sugar or dealing with early metabolic dysfunction. While more research is necessary to establish the full extent of NMN's benefits for human health, the preliminary results suggest that it may play a key role in addressing some of the most common issues that arise with aging. Importantly, these studies have generally reported few, if any, adverse effect from taking NMN, which adds to its appeal as a relatively safe supplement. Of course, the question remains whether the benefits seen in animal studies will translate to humans, particularly over long periods. While shorter trials have yielded some positive results, researchers still wonder about the effects of long-term NMN use. How does the compound behave when taken daily for months or even years? Will the body's response remain consistent, or will new issues arise with extended use? These are questions that only large-scale, long-term trials can answer. Some experts also express concern about how NMN might interact with specific dietary habits, such as high-fat diets, potentially altering its effectiveness. Therefore, much remains to be understood about how NMN behaves within the context of diverse human lifestyles. Despite the uncertainties, there are clear indications that NMN is relatively safe for most individuals, particularly in the short term. Pilot studies have shown no major safety concerns, though these trials have generally involved small sample sizes. Nutrition experts suggest that individuals interested in taking NMN start with moderate doses and consult a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for their specific needs. As always, caution is advised when introducing a new supplement into one's routine, especially if one is already managing a health condition or taking other medications. One of the main challenges with NMN supplementation is the cost. High-purity NMN supplements can be expensive, and the market is flooded with products that vary widely in quality. Some companies may make strong claims about the benefits of their NMN products without providing solid scientific evidence to back them up. Therefore, it is essential for consumers to be discerning and purchase from reputable sources, ideally looking for products that have undergone third-party testing to ensure their purity and potency. Despite the excitement surrounding NMN, it is important to note that it is not a miracle cure for aging. Like any supplement, NMN is most effective when used as part of a broader approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and stress management. In other words, NMN should be viewed as a complementary tool to support the body's existing health processes, rather than a standalone solution for aging-related issues. No supplement, no matter how promising, can replace the foundational importance of a healthy lifestyle. The scientific community continues to explore the full potential of NMN through ongoing trials. These studies aim to measure the compound's effects on various markers of aging, including metabolic health, cognitive performance, and physical endurance. If these trials demonstrate consistent, positive results, the demand for NMN supplements could skyrocket, and manufacturers may be called upon to establish clear dosage guidelines. At present, the lack of universally accepted recommendations for NMN dosage means that consumers are left to rely on the directions provided on supplement labels, which are not always based on robust scientific data. As research progresses, there is hope that more definitive conclusions will be drawn about the benefits and limitations of NMN. The growing interest in aging and wellness solutions is a positive sign, as it drives further investigation into the biology of aging and the factors that contribute to health in later life. However, it is essential to remain cautious and avoid the temptation to treat NMN as a catch-all solution for aging. The pursuit of health and longevity is a multifaceted journey, and the key to success lies in balancing the use of promising supplements like NMN with healthy lifestyle choices. In conclusion, while much remains to be discovered about NMN, the compound shows significant promise as a potential aid in healthy aging. Early studies have suggested benefits in areas such as metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and cellular energy production, all of which are crucial for maintaining health as we age. However, more extensive human trials are needed to confirm the long-term benefits and safety of NMN. As the scientific community continues to explore its potential, NMN stands out as a compelling example of how supplements may one day help us age more gracefully. Until then, individuals should approach NMN with optimism, but also with a careful, informed perspective, ensuring that its use is just one part of a broader commitment to healthy living.